In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Meeting link open to all, so anyone with the link can join it. So we need to first go to Google Meet, so go to Google Apps in the top right, and then scroll down and find Meet. Once you're in Google Meet, you can go New Meeting, and you can create a meeting for later or start an instant meeting. If you create one for later, it's going to give you a link. We are going to have to copy this link and then go into the meeting. You would right click and paste this meeting link and then click enter. If you've created an instant meeting, you would just click start an instant meeting and it will take you straight here. You can then go ahead and click join now. Now, once you're inside of the meeting, here's where you need to change the setting. So if you go to the bottom right hand corner, you'll see host controls, click on that and then scroll down. And here you'll see host must join before anyone else. You can uncheck that. And then meeting access type, change it from trusted to open. This will mean that anyone with the link should be able to join, and you don't have to invite them. They don't need their Google account. They can just join straight with the link, which you can go ahead and copy from here.